Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss about the topic contingent contract. Let's start with the introduction. A contingent contract is an if-then agreement that states which actions under certain conditions will result in specific outcomes. A contingent contract usually occurs when negotiating parties fail to reach an agreement. The contract is characterized as contingent because the terms are not final and are based on certain events or conditions occurring. A contingent contract can also be viewed as protection against future change of plans. A contingent contract can also lead to an effective agreement when each party has different time preferences. For example, one party may desire immediate payoffs, while the other party may be interested in more long-term payoffs. Contingent contract can foster an agreement in negotiating resolute differences of expectations about the future. Use of contingent contract. A contingent contract can be used in many types of settings such as work, school, home, etc. In regards to work, a common example of contingent contract comes in the form of job negotiation. It usually involves the opportunity to discuss salary, positions, promotions, etc. Few everyday agreements that may occur in a workplace are: the employee and the employer agree on a 1% bonus increase at the end of the year. Second example, the employee will be allowed to work 2 days a week from home after having worked out at the company for 1 year, and if he submits all reports on time. Advantages of contingent contract. One advantage would be that it limits the loss that would occur if the contract failed. It would not make one party gain more at the expense of other. This leads to increase in trust between both the parties, which would allow them to have more beneficial negotiations in future. Features of contingent contract. The objective for each party involved must be aligned. The promise is based on an uncertain event. The action required of one party is only dependent upon the occurrence of some event in the future. The event must be minor. To the contract, the performance of a promise is not the event, rather it is a part of the contract. The event is independent of promising party. That is, the occurrence of an event is not controlled by the promising party's will or desire. The parties must be able to mutually decide how the terms of agreement will be measured. Value of contingent contract. Each party can leverage their differences through bets that lead to both parties winning. However, contingent contracts do not increase integrative value, rather they affect distribution value. Contingent contract can create a value by causing each negotiating party to stop arguing about their difference belief. Risks and challenges involved. Contingent contract can be beneficial for both parties by producing value and motivating performance. However, there are some situations in which contingent contracts are not the best solution. Contingent contract could be threatening if the other party possesses or has access to more valuable information than you. Contingency contract can be risky if both parties are not in agreement of how to measure objectively. Contingent contract can be dangerous if there are unusual incentives for each party. Thank you and have a nice day.